Hello everyone, welcome back to TinaTeach Bootstrap 5. Today's is about grid system, okay? Classes is basic structure and how to create equal and unequal columns. First off, we're going with grid classes. There are currently 4 classes. Extra small for phones, small for tablets, medium for small laptops, and large for both laptops and desktop. Okay, you obviously can combine these for further dynamic and flexibility. Next up to basic structure. The basic structure of rows and columns is very simple. It's the same thing that you see with HTML table, for example. I'm pretty sure I also had a lesson in HTML explaining the rows and columns. In Bootstrap is the same, but the unique thing is about the class name. First off, you have the container that is called row for the class, and within it you have column. Okay, and if you want more row, you just create more row container and you add in however much column you want. That's it. That's the basic structure. Now that we're done with that, let's move on to the next part regarding the width of the columns. Now, you can add a number behind, the size of the column. And what do I mean by size? Over here, if you remember, extra small, small, medium, and large, with these acronyms. And if you put all of them the same number, then they will be just as long and just as equal. But if, let's say, the first one is 5 and the second one is 7, then the second one will be a bit longer. First one, okay? And obviously I will demonstrate this to you. It's very simple. It's just a matter of relativity. Let's move on to the next part. Unequal volume. Okay, I have an example here for you. If you do not put any number behind, let's say XS or extra small, it is full width. And full width meaning it takes up as much space as possible compared to if you just put the number 10 or the number 5. Let's start with a container. Container over here. And then we're gonna add in a row, div class row. All right, and within row we'll have some column, and we'll make it small and 7. Okay, with the style of background color, make it pink. All right, so that is pink and small. Then I'm going to copy and paste this 3 times, changing the color for each time. Yellow. So all of these will be equal to each other in terms of length. Okay? Now I'm going to copy this one more time and paste. This time it will be unequal, and I will change this into 4. And down here to 2 maybe, and this to 5. I think 5 solid. Okay, let's see how this works out. Okay, so as you can see, for the first 3 columns, they stack upon each other, right? Because it's small and it's 7, so they don't have enough space over here. So when they don't have enough space on the side, they just stack upon each other. So that's where the dynamic and the flexibility for mobile user comes in. For the second part, small, this one is big, right? It's medium. This one is bigger, it's longer than this one, because the first one is 4, second one's 5, and the third should be the shortest, right? So this is how it works. Okay, now that's it for Bootstrap grid system. Since Bootstrap has a lot of ties with HTML, and how you manipulate Bootstrap really is just through class. So it's a very simple, very quick and easy way instead of using completely vanilla HTML. Next up, we're going to be taking a look at typography. Okay, a lot of text, a lot of strings, perhaps some CSS as well. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching until the end, and learn today, better tomorrow. Have a wonderful day.